very stormy day today, very windy. Doesn't look too bad at the moment, but Storm Kieran is coming. And we've got 15 bikes out the front today. In fact, you could say we've never had so many bikes. So it's the 1st of November, and today I am doing I'm going to do a stock check, so that we know what we got and we can start having a sale. Over. Hooray! Oh, I can't bear doing the stock take. It's so time consuming because we have to update the website, we have to update our Facebook marketplace, and we have to update our Gumtree profile to update all the prices, make sure the bikes are on there that we've got and that we're not selling bikes that we've sold already. And it's a bit of a mission, but we have started our pre-Christmas sale. So we've got some bikes that have been reduced. You can see them all on our website. It's www.CycleRecycleuk.com. So let me show you quickly what we've got. So Peugeot Helium, £40 off, vintage bike, French, lovely bike. What else have we reduced? We have reduced the tandem, £50 off the tandem. It's now just 200 quid for this Legion tandem. Great for the summer, great for a bit of exercise. Someone will absolutely love it. So Rally 20 in mint condition, £50 off for a bargain. Falcon Fairy down to £30. Concept Coco down off, Bumper Commando £20 off as well, Apollo Sparkle £15 off, now just £40. The Mel Calypso half price just £30. You've got a young lady in the house who's interested in getting into road cycling, this could be the perfect bike for you. And then up the top here we've got, I'm just going to raise the gimbal so it's easier to see. So we've got this lovely Bumper Commando for just £10. Apollo Marvin the Monkey is now just £30. Cars 2 bike £20. Power Rangers bike £10. Disney Minnie Mouse now just £30. Trax T12 £10. And then down the end here we've also got a saving £10 on this Daisy, I can't think which one's called, the Silver Fox Daisy just at the end there, that you should be able to see. We've also reduced some of the bikes out the front, so let's go and have a quick look at those. So what have we got? 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 So we've reduced the Sun Solo. This bike is fully loaded and it's now half price, just £125 for a racer. We've also reduced the CDR Mad Dog. This is now just 40 quid for a complete bike, and the Doors Diploma is now just 50. I strongly recommend you have a look at the sale page on the CycleRecycle website, because that's where they all are. Just go to CycleRecycleUK.com, click on sale, and you'll see all the bikes. Come and get a bargain before Christmas. Okay, so the next job for the day is to change the posters so in the window, so that to the Christmas ones, and then I need to get up a ladder and I need to sort the lighting out as it gets dark. It's going to start getting dark early, so I want the signs illuminated. So that's the next job. So I'll stick it on time lapse and you can watch me faff about with these posters. Here we go. Christmas posters are up about reserving your bike. Now sort the lights out, and they're not Christmas lights, they're like lights to illuminate the signs in the evenings. So, new posters up, new posters up, lights switched on and fixed into place so that when it gets dark, because in the UK it gets dark like in the dead of winter about 4 o'clock, and I want the lights on and I want them to stay on until sort of like 8 o'clock. So I've got a smart plug. I'm going to set that up now. I'm not going to bore you with seeing that. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Tomorrow I've got a manic day. I've got 2 bikes to repair and loads of bikes to strip down, so it'll be well worth tuning in for that. So like I say, don't forget, like and subscribe. Follow us on social media. You can find them all at CycleRecycleUK.com. Have an amazing evening and we'll see you tomorrow.